Hey guys, it's Ashley from Not a True Reviews, and today I am unboxing Tea Box Express. This is a monthly tea party in a box. Each box contains 4 to 6 curated items. It's a really cute box. I love it a lot. It's $25.50. It always contains one blend of loose leaf tea. Other than that, the items are set around sort of a theme. It's really cute. It's a fun box. If you like tea and you go through it enough that you need it monthly, which it's totally plausible because you get like 4 ounces, I think, which if you have a cup of tea a day, it's perfect amount. And then the other little items are just perfect. $25.50 a month. I do have a code SPRING, just SPRING in all caps for 20% off your first box. What else did I want to say? That's it, I think. This is the March box. I love these. They make me like smile and be happy. So let's go ahead and get in there. All right. So it's always packed with these little green things. And then it says here, a new selection of whole leaf tea and artisan treats every month. Enjoy your curated tea party in a box. I just love the teas too that I've gotten in this box. If you're a tea drinker, this is definitely something you want to like check out because the teas are amazing. And like I found one of my favorite teas in this box. And like they're just teas that you don't go to the grocery store and pick up or wherever. I've just gotten some amazing stuff. So speaking of that, here's our first item, which is our tea for the month. This is Green Earl Grey from Beauty, B-E-A-U-T-E-A Studio at Etsy.com. It tells you steeping time. It tells you this is a 1.5 ounce bag. I like Earl Grey. I thought Earl Grey like was its own sort of black tea. So anyway, organic and fair trade full leaf tea, green tea, and bergamot. So that I'm excited to try. Sounds almost like a lady gray, right? Am I right? Am I right, girls? All right, then we've got the Spice and Tea Exchange. St. Augustine, Florida, Amber Rock Sugar. Huh, what do you put this in your coffee? Oh my goodness, do you put it in like your tea and like have a sweetener? Is that what you do? An alternative to granulated sugar, these sugar crystals are used to enhance the natural flavors of coffee and tea. They can also be used to make a glaze and or simple syrup or even eaten as candy. So you can use it in cocktails. You can use it on your poultry. The possibilities are endless. Oh my goodness, so look what they sent along with it. To pick up your little rock crystals, they sent those fun little tongs. I've always wanted these, but I don't use sugar in my like coffee or tea. And we really don't entertain that often, but I am having a dinner party and the people drink tea. And so I'm going to actually put this out. How cute. How fancy. It makes me feel so fancy. But I've always like, I just think they're fun. They remind me of Beauty and the Beast. When they do when Mrs. Potts and the, you know what I'm saying? Do you remember that part? I don't know. Maybe you don't. All right. I see the next item. It's fudge. That's all you need to know. This is Ticket Chocolate Lemon Lavender Chocolate Bark. It's not fudge. It's chocolate bark. Fine couverture, don't know that word, dark and white chocolate swirled with lemon oil, lemon peel, and lavender. Well, you guys know I like me some florals. And lemon and lavender work well together. Never eaten them together. I've had tea like that, but never eaten them. So I'm excited to try this. All right, on to our last item. So this is from the same company that made our tea. It's the Beauty Studio. This is a Earl Grey lotion bar. It's an organic moisture body bar. So it's like a balm because it's going to warm to the touch, massage into skin. All natural ingredients, mango butter, coconut oil, sweet almond oil, beeswax, pure essential oil, and vitamin E. So there's the little tin. Okay. Hello. Oh, look at that. I'm not going to open it because I didn't take my pictures. It smells like tea. It's like really mild, but it has like a very earthy, like kind of deep, sultry, sultry. I use that word to describe a scent. Yes, I did. Sultry aroma. So there is my Tea Box Express for March. If you're interested in checking out my full review, I'll link to that below. I'll also link to Tea Box Express, so you can check them out as well. I'll put the coupon code down below in case you forget. It is SPRING for 20% off your first month. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time.